Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
Have you found affiliate marketing to be difficult? Most people get into business to make more money with less time, right? When I started, I lost a lot of money and time trying to get affiliate sales. Then one day, I realized it's easier to do affiliate marketing if you profit while building your list. It's even easier to profit if you get paid for clicks inside your list building funnel. So I went to work and found a winning funnel that profits every time. I found a way to build my list while getting paid by Google all at the same time. Sounds crazy, right? First, you can start without any list. You can profit from paid traffic and scale up. You can start with free traffic and free tools. The secret is to get paid just for the clicks in your funnel. It's a lot easier than getting affiliate sales. Wouldn't you agree? So generating sales is a gamble, while generating clicks is profitable. Join me today, and I will teach you how to get paid for clicks by Google and build your list all at the same time. You'll also get affiliate sales, but there's no pressure because Google will pay you even if you don't get sales. This is the only way that I know how to get a guaranteed ROI from paid traffic. This leaves me lots of free time to do whatever I want, and I can scale it up as much as I want without spending more time. Does this interest you? It should. Everyone can use more time and more money. With this in mind, I invite you to join me to see how you can do this. But make sure to act fast before the price increase. After this launch period, the price will go up on this training. So take action today, and I will see you on the inside.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.